Hello, my dearest student. I start a wonderful construction of an angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, and 180 degree. I draw a ray of any length. Any length. Who as the center and with any radius draw an arc. With any radius draw an arc with the same radius, make arc of 60 degree and 60 degree and 120 degree. And 80. First I draw the ray of 60 degree. Secondly, I draw the ray of 120 degree. And lastly, draw 80 degree, 180 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, and 80 degree. That is called 0 degree. Again, 0 and 60 degree bisect by an arc (0 degree and 60 degree bisect, make a 30 degree angle. Make a 30 degree angle. Sixty degree and 120 bisect by an arc. Join them. Draw the ray and 90 degree, call the angle of 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And 120 degree bisect 180. Join this ray called 150 degree. and it is 180 degree. This is the construction of angles all. Thank you.